Hey y'all, what's good? This is your girl Nikki, aka the Bayou Chick, and I am back with a video to show you what I picked up this morning. So, I've been gardening for a while and farming. It's not new to me, but orchids has been an area that I really just didn't get into. I just really didn't think it was, the plant for me. And when did I buy I think I bought my first orchid maybe 2 weeks ago. I don't even know what happened, what got me into them. When did I buy it? Ooh, I'm having like a little amnesia, y'all. I can't remember the first orchid that I bought. I mean, I do have it. I still have it. I just bought it 2 weeks ago, but I can't tell you for the life of me. Dang, maybe I need to redo this video, get my memory together. I don't know. But anyway, I have one. It's beautiful. Where did I buy it from? I think I might have bought it from the grocery store, y'all. I might be lying. I really can't remember. I buy so many plants from different places that I cannot truly remember when I bought that orchid. I always take a picture of the plants when I buy them, even if they're rescue plants. I'll take a picture and it has like a time date stamp. I use that Gardenize app, so I guess I could go back and reference that. But anyway, what I'm trying to say is I'm new to growing orchids. Don't really know a whole bunch about them other than when I buy one and I research it, or I come on YouTube, I follow some of y'all videos. I'm not an orchid expert by any means, but I think they're beautiful. And the one that I bought recently has such beautiful blooms. And oh, you know what? I do remember when I bought them. I was at Lowe's and they had them at the clearance. They had them on clearance, and I think I bought 3 of them. It's coming back to me. I bought them. They were on the top shelf in Lowe's. I came home with 3 of them, and they were just beautiful to me, and I didn't know what I was doing. I was intimidated, but the prices were so great. I think I bought them for about between $5 to $7. They were just beautiful, just sitting there, and they always have like the orchids there. And I think it's because where I live at, it's an agricultural type society, area, so people aren't really that big into houseplants here. They're mostly into, like, it's a farming type of community for the most part. So those kind of things kind of are not on folks' radar. But I had to get them because I can't pass up a good sale. And once I brought them home, I just fell in love with orchids, and I said I need more. And so that's what got me into this. It took me down this rabbit hole. So anyway, I saw videos on bagged orchids, and most of the videos looked kind of old, like 2013, 2014. And so I was like, they said they sell them at Lowe's. And so I was trying to jog my memory, like, hold up, does my Lowe's sell bag plants? Because some things they do, but you know how you just get overwhelmed when you see so many plants and you see things, but you really don't know if that's really what you saw. So I was like, when I got off work this morning, I was like, let me stop by Lowe's just to see if they have them. Because I went online on Better Grow. I knew that was the brand. I checked, I did a store locator, and it did say my location, but that doesn't necessarily mean they have them in stock. So I went by there this morning, and y'all, they had them. They had the cattleyas, the phals, the vandas. They had a nice selection. So, which leads me to believe that this is how I'm going to build my orchid collection. So this was the one that I picked up. It's a little 2-inch square. This is the date on it, April 19th, 17. And this is the tag. I'm a little disappointed in the sense that I've seen Rick's orchids that he's posted, and his normally have quite a few more leaves than this one. This only has about 4. But I guess, I should be lucky that it's, that I was even able to find them. I guess I'll say that. So, like I said, I'm not an expert, so I'm going to get them, go up close, let y'all see the roots. I don't see any pest on here. I don't see any scale. But that's what it looks like. So from my research, I've been researching the Orchid Whisperers videos on cattleyas and other people's videos on cattleyas, trying to decide how I'm going to pot this up, what type of because with my other orchids, I decided I was going to do the leca. I even bought it and boiled it and sterilized it and all that, and I decided I really wanted to do semi-hydro because for my lifestyle, that's more convenient. But with the cattleyas, from what I'm researching, they don't really like to be wet like that, and so I ordered some New Zealand moss, and when it comes in, I'm going to pot it up in some New Zealand moss. Now I do need to hydrate this because it feels very dry and brittle. So, but that's what I got there, y'all. What do you think? Any advice, tips, any links that you can post to lead me in a good direction? All right, talk to you later. Bye. Oh, I also wanted to not give a shout out, but I wanted to thank Orchid for Dummies. He has been so helpful and just giving me advice and tips and just making this orchid journey. He just seems like a really nice person, really friendly person. He makes me laugh, and I like his videos, and he doesn't seem uptight and stuck in the mud, because I have been to different orchid societies and master gardener places, you know, because I like to buy plants and go to plant sales, and like I said, I do a lot of farming, so I know a lot of people in the farming industry. But some people can be stick in the muds when it comes to certain plants, you know, and he's so laid back with orchids that I really feel like, you know what, this could be one of my favorite plants, orchids. All right, so I just wanted to share that with you guys, and I will talk to you later and see you in the next video. All right, bye.